Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making oven-baked barbecue short ribs. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees. You will need 3 pounds of beef short ribs, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke, 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of dried mustard, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. In a bowl, combine your brown sugar, paprika, black pepper, chili powder, and garlic powder. Now add the cayenne pepper, salt, cumin, and dried mustard, then mix until well combined. Now place your short ribs in a large bowl, then drizzle with your canola oil and liquid smoke, then mix until well coated. Now generously coat each rib with your seasoning mixture, then place them on a wire rack. Place your ribs in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Remove the ribs from the refrigerator, then place them in your preheated oven and allow them to cook for 2.5 hours. After your ribs have cooked for 2.5 hours, remove them from the oven and coat them with your barbecue sauce. Change the oven setting to a low broil, then place your ribs back in the oven and allow them to cook for an additional 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to grab